Hey, where is the scene? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Jay, and in this video I wanted to go over the May performance on the Darwinex account. Now I know this is like a week behind. I've been really sick for the last week, so I couldn't do a video. I haven't been on Discord much, haven't been doing a lot of much at all. So yeah, I say let me just go over this, show you all what happened, and then we'll move from there. So let me just jump into it. All right. So as I stated in the last Darwinex update, that I was switching from Helios to Plex. I've been doing a lot of work on Plex over the last year, trading it in a couple live accounts at the moment. So I said, let me also put it on the Darwinex account and see how that works out. Now, it was a bit slow for the month. I think we only got like 4 trades. But with the 4 trades, I managed to get 1.94%. Now, keep in mind, this is reduced by like a factor of 5. So on the actual account, Plex made close to 10%. But you know the risk engine is with Darwinex, so yeah. So we still happen to secure 30k, which brought the total allocation at the moment up to 60k. Because we had this loss, we basically are a month behind. But in total, we had 115,000 in allocation thus far. Now, the nice thing about it, with the return almost being up to 10%, we at what? We're at 9.58%. When the account reset for June, we actually started at 74.12. So not that far off. I just probably need like one decent trade in order to secure allocation for this month. Hopefully we could do a bit better than that and see if we could push beyond 34k allocation for this month. But it all depends on how the market performs. As you know, Plex doesn't trade often, a couple trades for the month, and you know, that is it. So if we get some setup this month, that would be great. All right, so let me show you really quick what symbols I'm trading for Plex. So we have the Nasdaq, the S&P, and we have a couple currencies. So pound, dollar, Aussie yen, CHF yen, Euro USD, pound yen, card yen, Euro card, and the Euro pound. So all of those currency pairs are trading using the Larry Connors RSI2 strategy. Same setting, same lot size and everything. And the Nasdaq and the S&P. The Nasdaq trades the full 7 strategies at the moment, and the S&P trades 5. So yeah, this is what we have going on at the moment for the Darwinex account. We have a couple other accounts. I'm testing an account for someone, trading 2 accounts, and then this is Helios. I have made some adjustments to Helios. So the market actually would not run away. Now there is a couple things that I still need to adjust, but this is still a work in progress. It isn't completely dead as yet. So all right, so yeah, that is it for June. I mean, we would get back on track, still shooting to hit for goal in the 8 months time period that we have. Still have about 10% on the return to go, and just to catch up to the 2.5 to 1 return to drawdown ratio. So yeah, still working towards that goal, to get to the goal level. But yeah, so where we at. If you have any questions, don't forget to leave a comment below, or you could head across to Discord to chat with me. First link in the description. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.